Did you know there's a place near Pikes Peak where Christmas is celebrated year-round? A place where families can ride amusement park rides, explore a Christmas village, and visit Santa Claus no matter the season. Today we're exploring one of Colorado's most unique family attractions and sharing everything you need to know before visiting. Welcome to North Pole, Santa's Workshop. What makes it special is the feel. The moment you walk through the gates, it's less like a crowded amusement park and more like stepping into a mountain Christmas village frozen in time. Candy-striped rides, alpine-style buildings, toy shops, sweet treats, and Santa himself right in the middle of it all. For families traveling to Colorado, this is one of those places that can easily become one of the most memorable stops on your trip. The experience starts before you even reach the entrance. The park sits at the base of Pikes Peak along the Pikes Peak Highway in Cascade, Colorado, surrounded by pine trees and mountain views at about 7,500 feet above sea level. Even though you're just outside of Colorado Springs, it immediately feels like you've climbed into the mountains. That also means this is a true outdoor mountain park, so dress in layers and wear comfortable shoes. The paths wind over hills throughout the property, but strollers can still navigate the whole park. The park is open from Memorial Day weekend to December 24th, giving families lots of opportunities to visit. There are more than 24 rides, family-friendly attractions, small thrill rides, spinners, a train, a giant slide, a carousel, and plenty geared toward younger kids. It's especially great for families with little ones who aren't quite ready for roller coasters, but still want a fun amusement park day. Because the rides are spread throughout the village, you're never just moving from one queue to the next. You're exploring little sections of the park, walking past Christmas shops, snack stands, shows, and mountain views all along the way. One of the rides the park is most known for is its Ferris wheel, which gives you a unique view of the village and surrounding peaks. There's something really fun about looking down over a Christmas village in the middle of the Colorado foothills, especially knowing this park has been part of family vacations for decades. Family legacy is a big part of the charm here. In 1955, 25 acres on the south slope of Pikes Peak were dedicated for Santa's Workshop. The village was designed by former Walt Disney artist Arto Monaco, inspired by an 8-year-old girl's dream of what Santa Claus's home would look like. It started with just the Alpine-style buildings like Santa and Mrs. Claus's home, several village shops, and a reindeer barn. The park has grown since then, but the heart of the experience has stayed the same. It's still owned and operated by the same family, which is part of why it has kept so much of its original character. It's the kind of place where grandparents remember, parents get excited to share, and kids experience as something completely new. Of course, one of the biggest reasons families come here is to meet Santa. Kids get a chance to visit with him, take photos, and share what's on their Christmas list. And because the park is open beyond just the holiday season, families can enjoy that Christmas magic during summer and fall trips too. A fun option if you're visiting Colorado outside of December, but still want something memorable and different from a standard family attraction. Beyond the rides and Santa visit, there are shows that add to the full day feel. Elmer the Elf, magic shows, and entertainment throughout Santa's village. You can browse toys, gifts, souvenirs, and ornaments. For families visiting during the holidays, it's a fun way to mix a day of rides and Santa visits with Christmas shopping all in one place. Food options throughout the park include classic family favorites like burgers, ice cream, hot chocolate, and fire-roasted s'mores. When you're planning your visit, the time of year matters. During the summer and fall seasons, entrance into the park is free. Families can walk around Santa's village, shop, eat, and explore without paying general admission. If you want to ride, you'll purchase an unlimited ride wristband at the gate. For 2026, that's $38 per person, ages 3 and up. Children 2 and under ride free with a paying adult. The park is generally closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays during the summer and fall. On open days, hours are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the latest ride wristband sold at 4:15 p.m. Since this is an outdoor mountain park, everything is weather permitted, so check the official calendar or call ahead before you make the drive. During the holiday season, November 1st through December 24th, the experience changes a little bit. Online timed reservations are required on weekends and the weeks of Thanksgiving and Christmas, and admission tickets are required for all guests ages 3 and up. That includes entry, rides, shows, and attractions. The park is best experienced at a relaxed pace. With younger kids, it can be a great half day or full day depending on how much you want to ride, shop, and explore. And if you're visiting on a busy holiday weekend, build in a little extra time and patience. In summer or fall, the free entry setup makes it easy to decide how much of the park you want to explore. So if you're planning a family trip to Colorado, North Pole Santa's Workshop is one of those attractions worth putting on your list. Whether you visit in the summer for a mountain amusement park day, in the fall for cooler weather and fewer crowds, or during the holiday season for the full Christmas experience, it's a place that continues to bring families back year after year. If you've enjoyed this video and want more ideas for things to do around the Pikes Peak region, like and subscribe. We've got lots more adventures, hidden gems, and travel guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.